Hello, friends. In this video, you will learn English phrasal verbs. Let's get started.
Topic: Bathroom. Brush your teeth. Meaning to clean teeth using a toothbrush and toothpaste. Example sentence: Let's brush our teeth before going to bed. Wash your face. Meaning to clean the face with water and soap. Example sentence: After breakfast, it's time to wash your face and get ready for the day. Take bath. Meaning to bathe by immersing oneself in water. Example sentence: It's bath time. Let's take a nice warm bath. Use toilet. Meaning to urinate or defecate in the toilet. Example sentence: Remember to use the toilet before we leave the house. Flush toilet. Meaning to clear waste from the toilet bowl by pressing the flush lever. Example sentence: After using the toilet, don't forget to flush. Wash hands. Meaning to clean hands with soap and water. Example sentence: Before we eat, we need to wash our hands to make sure they're clean. Dry off. Meaning to use a towel to remove water from the body after bathing. Example sentence: After your bath, make sure to dry off completely. Put on clothes. Meaning to dress in clothing. Example sentence: It's chilly outside, so let's put on warm clothes before we go out. Take off clothes. Meaning to remove clothing. Example sentence: When we get home, we can take off our dirty clothes and put on clean ones. Hang up towel. Meaning to place or suspend a towel on a hook, rack or bar so that it can dry. Example sentence: Don't leave your wet towel on the floor. Please hang it up on the towel rack. Comb hair. Meaning to brush or style the hair with a comb. Example sentence: Let's comb your hair so you look nice and tidy. Wipe face with cloth. Meaning to clean the face with a wet cloth. Example sentence: After breakfast, let's wipe your face clean. Blow nose. Meaning to expel mucus from the nose by blowing air through it. Example sentence: If you have a runny nose, you can blow your nose into this tissue. Brush hair. Meaning to use a brush or comb to tidy or style hair. Example sentence: Before we go out, let's brush your hair so it looks neat. Wash hands with soap. Meaning to clean hands using soap and water. Example sentence: After using the toilet, remember to wash your hands with soap. Splash water on face. Meaning to lightly sprinkle water on the face for refreshment. Example sentence: If you're feeling hot, you can splash some water on your face to cool down. Fill bathtub with water. Meaning to add water to the bathtub for bathing. Example sentence: After dinner, we'll fill the bathtub with warm water for your bath. Empty bathtub. Meaning to drain water from the bathtub after bathing. Example sentence: After your bath, we need to empty the bathtub so it's ready for the next person. Clean bathtub. Meaning to scrub and remove dirt from the bathtub surface. Example sentence: Once a week, we need to clean the bathtub to keep it nice and shiny. Scrub toilet. Meaning to clean the toilet bowl with a brush. Example sentence: It's important to scrub the toilet regularly to keep it clean. Wipe sink. Meaning to clean the surface of the sink with a cloth or sponge. Example sentence: After we brush our teeth, we'll wipe the sink clean. Organize toiletries. Meaning to arrange bathroom items neatly. Example sentence: Let's organize our toiletries so we can find everything easily. Turn on faucet. Meaning to start the flow of water from the tap. Example sentence: Before washing your hands, you need to turn on the faucet. Turn off faucet. Meaning to stop the flow of water from the tap. Example sentence: After you're done washing your hands, don't forget to turn off the faucet. Hang up loofah. meaning to place the loofah on a hook or a hanger after using it. Example sentence: after you shower, hang up your loofah so it can dry. Empty trash can, meaning to remove garbage from the bathroom trash can. Example sentence: the trash can is full, let's empty it into the big trash bin. Tidy up bathroom, meaning to clean and organize the bathroom. Example sentence: before we have guests over, let's tidy up the bathroom. Unclog drain, meaning to remove any blockages from the bathroom drain to ensure proper water flow. Example sentence: the water in the sink isn't draining properly. We need to unclog the drain. Fix leaky faucet, meaning to repair a faucet that is dripping or leaking water. Example sentence: the faucet in the bathroom is leaking. We should fix it. Freshen up, meaning to quickly freshen one's appearance or clothes in the bathroom. Example sentence: after a long car ride, let's stop at the rest area to freshen up. Wipe it down surfaces, meaning to clean surfaces in the bathroom using a cloth or sponge. Example sentence: after we finish cleaning, we need to wipe down all the surfaces in the bathroom. Fill soap dispenser, meaning to add more liquid soap to the soap dispenser when it's empty. Example sentence: the soap dispenser is empty. Let's fill it up with soap. Hang up hand towel, meaning to place the hand towel on a hook or rack after drying hands. Example sentence: after you wash your hands, don't forget to hang up the hand towel. Straighten bath mat, meaning to adjust the position of the bath mat to keep the floor dry. Example sentence: the bath mat is all wrinkled. Let's straighten it out. Clean bathroom mirror, meaning to remove smudges or marks from the bathroom mirror. Example sentence: before we have guests over, let's clean the bathroom mirror. Fill toilet paper holder, meaning to replenish the toilet paper holder with a new roll of toilet paper. Example sentence: we're running out of toilet paper. Let's fill the toilet paper holder. Unclog toilet, meaning to remove obstructions from the toilet bowl to allow proper flushing. Example sentence: the toilet is clogged. We need to unclog it. Replace bathroom light bulb, meaning to change a burnt out light bulb in the bathroom fixture. Example sentence: the bathroom light bulb is out. Let's replace it. Dry bath toys, meaning to allow bath toys to air dry after use. Example sentence: after your bath, we'll dry your bath toys.
Thanks for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe.